Okay, hello guys. You're welcome once more to Just the Chat. I am Fearless. On today's video, I'm going to be explaining a market to you that is called the synthetic market or the volatility market. As you are currently seeing in my chart, you are seeing some names called index. You are seeing okay, let's look at the charts. They are the same, almost the same. They are the same thing with the forex market, though there are some fewer exceptions which I will be explaining. This what is it called? This index is being offered by a broker called the Deriv market, the Deriv broker, or you can call them the binary.com broker. I will drop the link to register on the description of this video. Okay. So binary has been on ground. They are trusted. I think they are one of the richest and the oldest broker I've known. I've been using them for the past 6 years now. They are very, very reliable and they are trustworthy. Okay. You have been in this business for over 20 years. All these analysis are online. You can go and make inquiry. Okay. So these indices, they are not forest pairs. You can see they are not no one is having pair here. They're having their names such as volatility 10 index. I'm referring to this now. See this one is this is 10 index, this is 25 index, this is step index. So currently see I'm on profit on these three index. Look at this one is 50 index, 75 index, this is boom 100, this is crash one. They have several names and several differences. Just like the forest pair, we have the gold, we have the SAU USD. Let's come to we have Euro JPY, you have Euro USD, you have USD JPY, and so other. So also on the synthetic market, Drive is a broker that offers you the opportunity to trade the forex market. It offers you a large scale of opportunity to trade almost all markets. Also, you can also trade crypto on the Deriv market. Then they have a special indices which they create themselves, which is called the synthetic index. It is called the synthetic index. You may ask, within forex and the derived market, which of them is safer, which is safer to trade? First, it depends on the type of what type of trader you are. It depends on the personality of trader you are and how profitable you are with whatever you are currently trading. Forex is the fatherhood or the motherhood of trading. If you are successful with forex trading, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from this market as well. But there's one thing about this market: this market news does not affect this market. There's nothing like in news. There's nothing like in news. No, on the forex market, you can take advantage of fundamental analysis, which is the news, and technical analysis to harmonize your trading opportunity, to harmonize your entries. But here on the synthetic market, there's no such word as news. News had no effect on the synthetic market. As you can currently see, this is about 10 index. I entered the sell. This is my take profit. I think I gave this signal on my free signal channel. If you want to join, I will drop the link on the description of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do it immediately. This is the analysis. Okay, so they're almost the same. They are the same thing with forest, with few exception. They don't close, unlike the forest market that close on weekends. That is one advantage for them too. They don't close, unlike the forest market that close on weekend. This market does not close. I trade the forest market, I trade the crypto market, and I also trade the synthetic market. So I just say I should bring it to your notice. For some persons that have been asking me, they have been seeing volatility on my channel. They don't truly understand what it means. So I'm explaining it to you here and now. Okay. There are some indices that have some special movements and some special differences. I will be explaining that. This is currently volatility 10 index. Are you seeing volatility 10 index now? This is 10 index. It has its different lot size. The least lot size for Black 10 index is 0.3. Unlike the forex market where you can use 0.01 to trade their pairs. But here you cannot, their index varies according to the indices, according to let's just call them synthetic, according to the synthetic or volatility index. Okay, this one here is volatility. What 100 index? Wow, what a massive fall. This one currently, this is volatility. What 100 index? As you can see, it is moving. It is just the same chart like forest chart. It moves the same way. It moves the same way. Totally what the same way, the same movement. Okay, so the lot size for volatility 100 differs as well. The least lot size I think is 0.2, 0.20. This one is so volatile. So if you don't understand anything about static index or volatility index, don't forget to hit me on my WhatsApp number, which I will drop on the description of this video as well. Then there's what is called boom and crash. This boom and crash here, Okay, this is boom and crash. It moves as the word imply boom, boom. That means it moves up very fast. It moves up very, very fast. And when it's coming down, it comes down sluggishly. It comes down sluggishly. If it wants to move now, it can give you a very, very massive movement upward. But when it's less, we can always see that from minute one. So when we get to minute, are you seeing the movement from minute one? So you can from this minute one, you should be able to know and understand how the market move with boom and crash. So as the other one is crash. The crash index moves in a way, as the word implies, crash. It falls down with what? With force, with aggression. So you can see that from minute one. Can you see now it's moving up sluggishly, but when it's coming down, it gives you bigger moves that are called spikes. Okay, so there are several opportunity on this derived market which you can take advantage of if you have trading knowledge, if you are profitable, if you have a strategy, you are disciplined. Okay, so there are several opportunities, there are several ways you can make money from the selling market. As you're going to see, all my trades, I think they're all on profit now. Let us see the chart. Let's see the chart. Okay. Are you seeing the chart? So they are all on profit. They're all on profit. This is step. Wow, this guy is moving madly. You see, this profit here is so massive. And I gave this signal on my signal channel. Okay. So these are the difference and the few things you need to know about synthetic index or the volatility market. It is very, very interesting market and you will want to test it. So if you have any questions, don't forget to hit me up, okay? And then if you want to register, I will drop the link on the description of this video. For now, remember, whatever question you have, don't forget to ask. Click on the subscribe button now, click on it and turn on the notification bell. If you find this interesting, don't forget to share it with your friends. And before you trade synthetic index, always deposit what you can afford to lose. I won't lie to you, deposit what you can afford to lose. Don't use money that are meant for urgent expenses to go into the trading world to deposit. Don't try it. Don't use money for school fees. Don't use money for emergencies. Don't use health money. Don't use your hard strength to deposit in the what's in the trading market. It is not advisable. It is not advisable. Okay, only deposit what you can afford to lose. Deposit what you can afford to lose. Trading is my life business, and I'm giving you this a little expo. Always deposit what you can afford to lose. I have made lot of money from trading, and I am telling you, as an experienced trader, follow this step, and you will not regret your trading journey. So for now, remember, bless.